after they head crack. I'm from where these bitches will fuck you into the bed crack. From where the practice and get you straight. The second highest conviction rate. And I'm talking United States. They send one informant nigga to buy the base. It ain't even worth rumbling. The DA just lying and your lawyer just mumbling. Old head trying to put his numbers in. My man got 26 summers in. From where they do a lot of wondering. He's a boss, there's a lot of dudes under him. A lot of raw talent, hate physically and mentally. They'll never make it cause they slack academically. Yeah, from where they lack identity. Violation of the cheat code, that's a penalty. When the narcs take your keys and mess up your house. Handcuff you, find the work while you stressed on the couch. New jail, second floor, you the next in the house. When they first arrested you, you wasn't at your house. I couldn't find the 40 belows, I take the truckers. Girls from the projects loved us, couldn't wait the rockers. I'm from where the suckers hate, but I hate the suckers. It's gonna take a mean army and some cake to fuck us. Yeah, the Lost Sparrow was the hardest one. Cough up a lung where I'm from, y'all get son. They know us. Fuck out here.
Holy shit, nigga. That's a bad motherfucker. CT, let me introduce y'all to the world's hardest MC, Styles P. Step up.
Step up, set.
Let's see shit. Let's get a beat. You know the shit.
Get 'em